viewers, in this video we will learn an easy way to test gold at home using toothpaste and a cloth, so follow along to the end. We have a genuine gold ring and another fake piece. We have toothpaste, toothbrushes, and a cloth. We will put a little toothpaste on the pieces to be tested. Then we will brush them well with the toothbrushes. Then leave them for at least 1 minute. Then we bring the cloth and rub the pieces well. If it leaves a black mark on the cloth, it's fake. If it doesn't leave any marks, it's genuine. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to always receive our latest videos. Have a nice day.